Aikari kaunti ya Mombasa ni moretio gutigirira ni mararũmbũyania na maria maturigicĩirie na njĩra cia gutigirira ni mate gĩko kuria kwagĩrĩire. Munini wa governor county of Francis Athoya oretie andũ othe manyitanĩre gutigirira county ya Mombasa ni yathera andũ ethĩ makĩria ngiri 2,000 ni mekuheo wĩra wa kũrogota gĩko mũbango-inĩ wa gutigirira aingĩ ao arĩa matarĩ na mawĩra ni magunĩka.
Our first foray into the plastics challenge globally. There are not too many programs that we have in Africa yet, and so this was just an excellent opportunity to try something new. And for us, prioritizing informal settlements that informal settlements are a big priority. Engaging youth is a big priority. So this was just an amazing opportunity to partner with other organizations.
So inamaanisha vijana tayari wameshaingia katika biashara kubwa ya mambo ya taka. Itakapokuja mtambo huu wa kurecycle, I want hawa vijana ndio wawe watapata nafasi ya kwanza kuplug into this. Hata hii story ya unemployment tutaondoa, sio? If we remove the story of unemployment, insecurity pia itaondoka, sio? Sio? So we are able to do many things that are giving us a challenge kule. Ni jukumu letu sote. It is our responsibility to make Mombasa clean. All of us. As government, will do our part, but we expect the citizens also will do our part.